Hello YouTube, Troubleshoot back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix Bluetooth audio starting in Windows. So if your Bluetooth is starting in your Windows computer, you will have 5 solutions for this video. So stay tuned until the end, and all the solutions will work for all Windows operating system, Windows 11, Windows 10 and other. So for the first solution for this video will be restarting the Bluetooth support service. So in order to do that, so go here and click on the search icon and type here services. So after you tap services, here the services option, and open it, and under the service you will find the Bluetooth support under the B section. Here B, which is the Bluetooth support service, here this one. So select this, right click on it and select properties. So after you select properties, you will have the starter type here. So if it is manual, make sure you select automatic, and after that go here, select apply and click here OK, then close the service section. So this will help you to fix the starting Bluetooth problem. If it's not helping you to solve this problem, then troubleshoot the Bluetooth. So in order to troubleshoot, again click here the search icon and type troubleshoot. So after you type troubleshoot, you will find the troubleshoot setting, then open it and click on additional troubleshooters. And after that, scroll down and you will find a Bluetooth option under find and fix other problems. You will find Bluetooth, then select run the troubleshooter. So it will show you steps to fix your problem. Wait until the detecting problem process will be completed. As you are seeing, it's resolving, and check the Bluetooth or radio status and it's fixed. In my case, in your case, it will show you different recommendation, and follow all the steps until the troubleshooting would be completed. So let me close this one, and if the troubleshooting is not helping you, then solution number 3 will be updating your Bluetooth driver. So to update your Bluetooth driver, again click here the search icon and type device manager, and after that you will find your device manager. Then on the top here the Bluetooth option, click here the arrow, and here you will find your Bluetooth driver. In my case, it's Intel wireless Bluetooth driver. In your case, it may be different, so make sure you select your Bluetooth driver. So right click on it and select update driver, and after that select or search automatically for driver. So here the best driver for your device are already installed. Then I'm going to close it and close your device manager and restart your computer. So after you restart, if the driver or the Bluetooth is starting, then the final solution will be uninstalling and reinstalling back your Bluetooth driver. So in order to uninstall and reinstall back, again we are going to click here the search icon and type device manager, here the device manager, then open it, and under the device manager open the Bluetooth section, here the arrow, and uninstall the Bluetooth driver, here the wireless Bluetooth, and click on uninstall. And make sure if this checkbox is checked, make sure you should have unchecked it, then click here uninstall. So it's going to remove the Bluetooth when you click uninstall. So after you click uninstall, then restart your computer. So I'm not going to click it, but if you click uninstall, just restart your computer after uninstall. So this will help you to fix the starting Bluetooth problem on your computer. And if today's video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Troubleshoot.